Okay, here I am talking with Jon Hughes, who's with RobbinsGioia, which is in Alexandria, Virginia. Jon, can you tell me what RobbinsGioia does?
Well, RobbinsGioia is a project program and portfolio management consulting firm. We've been in business for 28 years. We do about 75% government work, about 25% commercial work in the industry. We pride ourselves on being the premier provider of project program and portfolio management consulting services.
You're here in the Microsoft booth and you're showing a new service that your company has created. What's the name of that service?
This is the capital planning and investment control solution that we built in conjunction with Microsoft to really facilitate investment governance and portfolio management for the federal government. The federal government has detailed guidelines around creating business cases for investments. They're called the OMB 300 and OMB 53. The Office of Management and Budget puts these mandates out for us to make sure that our money is being spent appropriately, taxpayer dollars after all.
Was it difficult to bring these tools together to build this service platform?
It was a little tricky. We knew that SharePoint was the interface we were going to use to deliver, so we decided that we're going to host Project Server and Portfolio Server inside of SharePoint and wrap it with the necessary items that users would want to see when they logged into a system. This is a top-to-bottom, end-to-end system. When I say that, I mean end-to-end, from the inception of an idea or a project to its closeout, and then from executive level down to resources. All these different types of users can use this system. When we also created a new API with Microsoft helping us. They wrote an API and we tested it for them to put data into Portfolio Server, which was tricky. This allowed us to automate the capture of business case data directly into both Portfolio Server and Project Server.
And where's the data coming from?
From the user. They enter it in a nice user-friendly form. General information about the project, its strategic alignment to the initiatives of the agency, tentative budget, goes into a workflow process, gets selected, workflow, drill down capability, all built into the system.
Cool. And so if viewers wanted to get that API, is it publicly available?
Yes, it is. I believe that Microsoft's made it available on Codeplex. You can contact the product group at Microsoft, and they will certainly hook you up with it.
What should they call that that component if they're referring to it?
Let's see. I believe it's called the PPS Publish is what we call it. It's a Project Portfolio Server Publish, meaning publishing data to the Portfolio Server database.
Makes sense. Okay, and if somebody wants to find out more about RobbinsGioia, how should they get a hold of?
Best way to do it, hit the website at www.RobbinsGioia.com, or that's RobbinsGioia.com. And if you go to /CPIC, you'll actually see the solution and get a white paper and have links to all the good things that are on EPM Connect as well.
Sounds good. Thanks, Jon.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.